1st July 2023, Eastern Himalaya Guides Welfare Association took initiative for plantation in Tiger Hill, Darjeeling at 8,500 feet sea level, with a promise to take care of it. We are doing plantation. This is magnolia. In Nepal we call it cham. If you ever visit Darjeeling, you can always hire a professional and certified guides from EHGWA. And yes, don't forget to visit Mayukh Tea, where you will find the best quality of leaves of Darjeeling.
Hello, भाइ के छ अन्त
अब यस्तै छ
ठिकै छौ
हजुर
इन्जोइङ अन्त आज
हल्का
कन्ट्रिब्युसन टु नेचर गुड गुड
यहाँ चाहिँ सिधै एभरेस्टबाट आएर खन्दैछ
Would like to thank EHGWA, Eastern Himalaya Guides Welfare Association, Sonam Sir, Executive Director, GTA Tourism, Senchel Forest Department, and Mayukh Tea.